I could tip this jar upside down and this will not drizzle. I don't know why I suddenly feel really nervous. I just think it's because I'm on a different channel. But you know what? We're gonna give it a go. We're already late to the party. Anyway, we're here finally. Yeah, hey guys, welcome back to the StudyTube channel. Today, you're with me. You should be, I don't know, worried about that? But anyway, I am bombarding the StudyTube channel this week with 3 videos, not 1, but 3, okay? Kind of questioning why I did that to myself, but this is the first of my 3 videos this week. If you don't know who I am, I suppose I should introduce myself, I feel. So yeah, my name's Holly. I am a biology graduate. I graduated last year in 2019 from Cambridge, and now I'm kind of floating around in a gap year. I went traveling. I'm now looking to do a master's, and yeah, I currently tutor in biology. I have my channel called Holly Gabrielle, my middle name. What else do I say about myself? I love food, destined to be a cat lady. I feel as if we're getting too deep for this StudyTube channel video. Anyway, so yeah, basically my first video, I was gonna do something biology related, but I feel as if we need some food content on this channel, and as we're in this lockdown period, I feel like nourishing our body and making good food is something we should prioritize. So yeah, I thought that I would bring some food content to this channel. First of all, I will do biology content, and you guys can let me know if you want to see anything in particular. I wanted to start with something that a lot of people who follow me know me for. I am all about that green smoothie. So I'm gonna show you and tell you how you can make a perfect summer green smoothie bowl in this video. I just need to say one thing that is so ironic about this video. I'm making a smoothie bowl, a summer smoothie bowl, in a jumper, this jumper. I know that just doesn't quite sit right, but anyway, yeah, how we make a smoothie bowl. So essentially what you need to make this smoothie bowl is, first of all, yes, a blender. I use a Blend Active blender, and to be honest with you, these are so inexpensive. They're a really reasonable price. You can get really expensive top blenders, but simply put, you just need a blender. Any blender will do. Something that can spin things around and blend stuff up is what you need. And to make the smoothie itself that you're gonna put into a bowl, hence the name smoothie bowl, you need basically a ripe banana. So bananas that are ripe obviously have lots of brown spots on them. If you want a banana to ripen quicker so that it becomes sweeter, put it in a bag or put it in a cupboard somewhere with other bananas, and that will trap the ethene and help them ripen. A little bit of biology. I can inject some biology in these videos even though I'm not talking solely about biology. But yes, so a ripe banana, you add that to your blending bottle, and then you also want to add 1 frozen banana, and then I tend to add about a cup of mixed frozen mango and pineapple. You then add a big handful of spinach. Spinach is my favorite green thing in the world. It's also a green that's quite creamy as opposed to kale. So I love spinach in there. Put a big load of spinach in, get your greens in, and then you add some liquid. So I add half a cup of water and half a cup of plant-based milk. So you can pick your favorite plant-based milk. There are so many out there to choose from: almond, soy, oat, hemp, cashew, the list goes on, and they're bringing out more all the time. So basically 1 cup of liquid in total. And with a smoothie bowl, something that is quite key is getting that consistency right, because if it's too runny, it's not going to be good, because when you try and decorate it, things will just sink like the Titanic, okay? And it's a bit of a disaster. So we don't want it too runny, but on the other hand, we don't want it too thick, because then it becomes something that we call in the land of vegans an ice cream. It's just really, really thick bananas that have been blended with little to no liquid. So it's really easy. You just put that in the blender bottle and you blend everything up. Obviously you can add different powders and stuff like this. However, I just decided to make a smoothie bowl in its simplest form. You don't need to worry about buying all these superfood powders and stuff, because you don't really need it to make it taste good. Yes, you can add other powders and you can get creative with it, but I just wanted to show you how to make a very simple smoothie bowl, essentially, without all these fancy extras. Then you want to find a bowl to put your smoothie into, and then the best bit is decorating it. So with this, there are no rules whatsoever. You just get creative, you know, add whatever you want to. And on this day, I added some chopped banana, some banana discs around the edge, alongside some strawberry flowers. So in my next food video on this channel, I will show you how to make these if you're interested. They're called fruit flowers, and I made them using strawberries, and they're just so cute. I just can't get over how cute they are. Then I added some frozen raspberries that had kind of been crushed alongside some oats. So granola works really well on smoothie bowls, but I didn't have any granola at the time, so I just added plain rolled oats. I then added some milled linseed as well as some desiccated coconut, so sprinkled those on. And the final thing that I added, which kind of just pulled it all together, was some nut butter. So I was going to add almond butter, but halfway through I decided to change to peanut butter because the peanut butter was runnier and easier to drizzle, and that's my goal in life, to get a good drizzle on the smoothie bowl. If you've watched my videos, then you'll know what I'm on about here. And yeah, that's basically it. Once you get used to it, it's really simple to put together, and then when you decorate it, you can just decorate it differently every single time. So yeah, I love smoothie bowls. I could sit here and talk about them all day, but yeah, if you do make one, then you can tag the StudyTube project, or you can tag me or whatever. But yeah, that's my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you can thumbs up this video, I suppose. Subscribe to the StudyTube project if you haven't already. If you want to, you can subscribe to my channel as well. But, you know, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna end this video. We'll see you tomorrow for another video on the channel. Bye!